Mommy wants
So guys, Rajero is gonna be the judge. So let's see.
Here, try mommy's. What does it taste like? Good? Is it good?
What's your reaction? Come on, taste this one. Taste this one.
Do you like it?
Come on, taste this one. You just tasting it, Raj. One taste. Come
try it, honey.
Come try this one. Guys, we will not have no judge, so we don't have a judge. So Rajero is the judge. Come, Papa. Come, taste this one. Taste this one. Alright, take your time and eat. Hey, come now. You have to go tell you which one is better.
Which one do you want to eat?
Which one do you want to eat?
Which one do you want to eat?
Which one is better? Which one do you want to eat?
Well, guys, looks like my atopic dermatitis is back. Oh my gosh. I feel like I could scratch my face right off. I got cream on it. Hopefully it'll work. God, I dealt with this for months last year. It's always something.
So guys, good morning. My wife pulled me out of bed. Nothing get done, so don't watch my face. But surprisingly, we ended up having breakfast out today. My wife is suffering an allergic reaction in her eyes again, and I don't know what's going on. I have a plan today, guys. So I'm gonna execute the plan today. Yeah, we're gonna have like maybe a 20 bucks or a 30 bucks cook off challenge. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we just get coffee. So the amount we're gonna use to make our dish is 20 bucks. So look forward for that. Rajero. Papa, you're okay? You're okay? Yeah? Yeah, so guys, don't watch your face. My wife picked me out of bed. We ended up doing some stuff in the car and whatsoever. And suddenly we ended up having breakfast because my wife said she's treating me out for breakfast. So yeah, we're here and yeah, just look forward for the video later, guys. That's the plan, and yeah, we're gonna execute it one way or the other. But you see, my wife, guys, I don't know what's going on.
I just did a video when you were
atopic dermatitis. What's it called?
It's called atopic dermatitis.
Oh my
God. And I can't wear makeup. I suffered with it last year when I sprained my leg in February.
Yeah.
I think it was like all February, all March this happened. So I'm hoping it's not going to be like a seasonal thing every winter. I'm hoping. Because January 28th is my birthday. February 14th is our anniversary. So I'm hoping to God this, but anyway, I'm still gonna smile. I'm not gonna let it stop me because my husband loves me. That's all. God loves me. And Jerry loves me.
And you guys know she likes to look the best. She likes her makeup and stuff. So just hope for the best. You know what I mean? I don't know why this come at this time again, just to break her spirit, but just stay tuned for the vlog.
We're gonna cheer. Isn't this awful? I'm getting some cream in a minute though. Cheers!
You?
Cheers, Mommy. Okay, what do you want Mommy to order you? What do you want?
Eggs.
What kind of eggs do you want?
Eggs.
Do you want scrambled eggs?
Yeah, scrambled eggs.
And toast?
Yeah.
Okay.
And cheese.
And cheese. Okay. Scrambled eggs, toast, and cheese. Okay. I don't know what I'm getting yet. Do you know what you're getting today?
No, I'm looking. It's always a struggle for me. So yeah, I gotta take my time and look.
Okay. So only Raj knows what he's getting yet.
Eggs.
So I think, guys, I'm gonna get the avocado toast. I think that's what I'm gonna get.
So my guess is the ideal omelet, really.
Ideal omelet? Okay. Alright, let's do it. Okay. Let's get a breakfast. I ended up getting a veggie omelet. We got scrambled eggs and toast. They've got the meat
omelet.
Okay, guys, we're on our way to the grocery store. I've decided I'm gonna do cabbage, ground turkey, like an Asian stir fry. Did you decide what you're gonna do yet?
No, I didn't.
It's raining here in Campbell River today. We're gonna go to Thrifty Foods. Right, Raj?
Yeah.
So guys, we're at 50s and the plan is at $20, my wife said. So we're going for it. I decided I'm not going back home because it's been too long. I'm out on the road, sorting out personal issues, business and stuff. So makes no sense I go back home to come back out in the rain. So we're just gonna get it done, get whatever we want, and then we go home and start the ball of roll. So stay tuned and look forward to what we're gonna get and see. Yeah, so alright, stay tuned, guys. Come on.
And I just took a Benadryl, so I'm gonna be falling asleep while I'm doing it. Because it makes you drowsy. So if I look a little drunk, it's because I just took Benadryl to try to calm down this allergic reaction I'm having. But anyway, stay tuned. We're going shopping. Hold Mommy's hand.
Okay.
Guys, should I whoop her ass? Alright, I'm gonna whoop her.
I'm a pretty good cook. And I think the Asian stir fry is gonna who's gonna choose who's better? Okay, some ginger. We still have no idea what he decided to do. We're looking for ground turkey, guys. Okay, guys, I found the ground turkey. I have no idea what the price of this is. Are you doing wings? What are you doing, babe?
No, I'm not saying I didn't miss idea. Leave me alone.
I think I might have to do under 30. Look at this. This is pretty good price. 15 bucks. Wow. Okay.
Guys, I don't know what I'm doing yet, but look at this. It's only a $5. So I'm gonna grab this and then try to grab some starch and grab some veggies and complete meals.
Okay, guys, I got a green pepper.
I have in mind I need garlic and I need ginger, so yeah, just gonna grab one of this and probably a nice piece like that. So you see, I have the potato, I have the chicken, this and that. So I need veggies and I need a little bit more seasoning. It's like $1.99 a pound, so I need just a single one. I'm gonna grab scallion. This look nice. I'm gonna grab this. That's around $1.69. You guys know it's the healthy way we're going right now, so veggie is a must, and I'm gonna grab this, probably this one. It's like $2.99 a pound.
Okay guys, I'm not sure. I'm trying to put some rice noodles in with this dish, and I'm not sure if I should get the skinny ones or the fat ones.
These are like for $2.69 a pound. I want a 1 pound or probably pound and a half.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go with the skinny. I'm gonna go with the skinny because I want to be skinny. So I'm going with skinny noodles. So here, slow down a bit, Bunny. Mom's knee is still sore. So I think I did it, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the cash. So I got rice noodles, green onion, ground turkey, cabbage, green pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic. So I'm gonna use the seasonings from home. I think that's what we're allowed to do. He didn't really explain all the details, so we're gonna just go with that. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Uh-oh, I don't think so. I'm gonna be just over 20. Ah, 20 maybe.
That's not even the ginger.
Yeah. Okay, put the ginger in. So maybe under 25, babe. Can we change it?
Yeah, you said under
21.
Okay, and add this too. So if we're gonna do under 25. Yeah, okay guys, under 25.
Okay guys, this is where the magic happen, under 20 bucks. Let's see. You know, tax have to go on and so forth. So this is where the magic happen. Let's see.
So guys, I only gotta pay $4 because I have points. Okay, babe's gonna do his now.
Guys, let's see how much we go. I'm confident I'm not over $20. Let's see. I'm under.
You're gonna be way under 20.
Does the garlic and the ginger remain? Let's see. See? $19 for me, guys. So.
Okay, so mine come to 24, his come to 19. But I only had to pay 4 because I had a scene card with points. He had to get his little treat too. Did Daddy buy you a treat? What you got? Show me what you got. What you got? Show Mommy.
M&M, sure.
Oh, M&M's. Okay. Yes?
Red, orange, brown, blue,
Yeah.
green.
Good job.
Strength where I've been weak and ever needed. I thought it was awesome.
Our God is awesome.
And so much disease. What?
Okay, guys, we're just getting home. Cook down is about to begin.
Should I beat her? Should I dust her right out? Guys, we have one problem. Who's gonna be the judge? Let's see who's gonna be the judge. Our daughter might be a little bit biased, you know. So let's see. But hope not.
Okay, guys, our microwave finally came in. So this is my hubby's ingredients to do his, and this is my ingredients to do mine.
So guys, babe's getting ready. We have our first thing coming. Okay, and what are you doing, baby? What are you preparing?
So I'm gonna do a turkey and cabbage, and I bought this rice noodle, so I'm gonna add some of that in there.
You're gonna
too.
infuse that?
Yeah, it's gonna be like an Asian dish of some sort.
Okay. So guys, my 20 bucks meal. I'm making mashed potato with teriyaki drumsticks. Yeah, and my veggie will be broccoli and carrot. So stay tuned for it. Look at babe walk. Guys, yeah, she's ready. She's all bootsed up, so let's go. Guys, I'm just telling babe that what we're gonna judge the meal off is taste and presentation. So she better make sure meal is tasting good, and yeah, we decorate the plate properly.
He just threw the presentation one with me, so I'm just running through my head how I'm going to make it look. He's a chef by trade,
Alright,
so
guys, we're gonna get the meals all prepared and yeah, get started. So, yep.
Okay guys, so I'm going to use some sweet chili Thai and some oyster sauce and some sesame oil, Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, Chinese or Asian 5 spices, and sesame seeds. Yeah.
They said a little competition is cool. My baby is shaking in her knees. Shaking in your knees. Guys, she started already, you know. And I pre-prep my day, I pre-prep. But look at this. She's on her way, guys. I'm just here pre-prepping, getting all the stuff ready. Look at her. Okay, babe. Look at that, guys. Start way ahead of me, but you don't know. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure to the end. So let's see.
So guys, I put a little bit of sweet chili Thai. I've got ground turkey, green onion, ginger, garlic, onion, and green pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of oyster sauce because you can't have an Asian dish without oyster sauce. And I'm going to turn this up a bit. Okay, babe's getting it together too. It's got to be turned up. It's not frying enough. A little bit of gluten-free soy sauce. I'm going to put some complete seasoning in here. And some pepper. Just a little bit of, you know, just brown it up a bit. I add a little bit of Maggi seasoning. I'm going to add a little more soy sauce. It's gluten-free. It's a healthier type. So guys, it is cooking up nicely. Babe's getting his chicken ready.
Alright guys,
Are you feeling pressure?
from you? I'll never be pressured at me. So guys, I have my drumsticks ready, going in the oven, my potatoes, and you know, all of the knickknacks for my veggies. And yes, these are my broccoli. So stay tuned.
Ooh, the cooking challenge is on! A little bit of brown sugar. Coming together nicely, you know?
You guys gonna put in them teriyaki sauce. Wifey, she they are shaking her knees, you know. Oh guys, yeah, man, I get the teriyaki sauce on the go. Try to fix it the best way, you know, and see potatoes them there over there. So I'm gonna get the vegetables them ready, and my drumstick finally gone in. So yeah, it's gonna take a minute or so, but we're gonna get everything ready. So stay tuned. Alright, alright, bad chef, you feeling it? Guys, you go on for me, no teriyaki sauce, come down, you know? I got thicken it. Yeah, and put it
I
to
don't
the
know
over
what, I might make a mistake by putting this in. I don't know. We'll see.
Mom already done, you know?
Yeah, this
Bad,
doesn't
she
take
bad,
long.
you know?
This doesn't take long. I'm tired. Between this and the Benadryl and my knee, I'm tired. Babe, are you tasting?
Yeah, I'm tired too.
Baby's over there tasting. I don't even know if I got this aimed properly. You want some attention?
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy's busy cooking. Oh my gosh. Mine is gonna be sitting too long. It's gonna be mushy, but whatever. It tastes good to me. So guys, this is the shelf that I got from Amazon to put our shoes in. So yeah, getting the house all organized.
So guys, I should have put time also, cause see, my baby finished long time, I'm gonna finish, but if we would have worked with time, I'd probably put another dish.
Ah.
So yeah, this and teriyaki chicken come together. You see how the sauce thick? Yeah. And then we're just gonna get this like maybe a minute in the oven, and that's about it. Potato is coming and my veggie is coming. So
We already know who's gonna
here,
win.
and my veggie is there.
Mine's been cooked so long.
Babe, you're showing weakness.
But on appearance, mine's gonna be mushy and cold because I started too quickly. But anyways.
It's the competitor in you, babe.
It's gonna be good regardless. As long as it tastes good, that's the main thing.
I dumped some yogurt tonight. Some
I think you're kind of cheating because you're kind of using a lot of other ingredients.
We mean
No! Oh! Because you're kind of cheating because you're using cheese and bacon bits and you didn't pay for that. We used sugar and stuff like that, but bacon bits and cheese.
Alright, wait.
Okay guys, I don't know. I don't know what you think, but...
So guys, we'll add some... What's this, babe?
Yogurt.
A little yogurt tonight. I mean, you don't want every cream, but I'm not having none.
And bacon bits, which he didn't... It's supposed to be under 20, but you know, I spent 25, so okay. I guess
So
we'll...
she's letting me
I
off.
guess we'll let it go.
Well, guys, this should have some ingredients and stuff in your house, so... I mean, to add to it, we're not going to get everything for $20, but yeah, this is a mashed potato. Mash it in. For the best result, come to Akeen's house. Some veggies, cause remember me is on a diet, so I eat more vegetables.
Okay. That's how it's done?
That's how it's done.
Like, we should have had a time limit. When did we start, babe?
Yeah, you've been. I don't have my watch, baby. I doesn't even know the time.
3 hours later. No.
Oh my god, you're making me look bad. It's okay, I'm finished now. It's plating time. It's okay, babe. Guys, because hers is over here. She finished.
A long time ago.
Hers is over there, and I had to wait on the chicken, so
Oh.
it's alright, it's okay. Guys, so cook off is finished. Cook off is officially finished. We have our garnish here, and yeah. So, babe, tell them what is this?
It's just an Asian cabbage, ground turkey, and rice noodle
Bowl?
dish.
Yeah.
Yeah, bowl, yeah.
And guys, this is my teriyaki chicken. I have some veg here, and I have mashed potato here. So we're gonna plate and then garnish, and then yeah, from there we check back. Guys, wife is sharing hers. She's sharing up a storm. Let's see. Okay. Okay, beautiful.
I learned from you.
Guys, we have one problem though. You know that problem there was?
Who are we gonna get to taste?
We gotta get to taste the food.
I told Babe to just go out in the hallway and pick some random person.
Okay, love.
Okay, hold on. Gotta put some green pepper on the top, like for looks. Okay. Oh, I just made a mess.
That's
Alright.
okay. Go.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, hold on. Okay. I'd like to use your one, but I won't.
Go for it.
No, I won't.
Alright.
Maybe this way. Something like that. Okay.
Body of bud. Alright, let's see. Guys, my sauce is very, very thick. But let's go. Alright, nice. Look at that one there. I'm gonna use big one. So. Food the archery, you know. So let's go. Ooh.
Okay. You didn't put no broccoli. What are you gonna do with that?
My food is an art, you know, my baby. So, how do you two overpower it too? And so. Cooking is an art. Babe. Akeen.
Mine's been sitting for quite some time. It's fresh out of the oven.
But yeah. So the problem is, guys, nobody to taste it. You understand? My wife, daughter, she stepped out. She gone. They're on the road and her boyfriend. So I don't know. But we did. That's what we did for our 20 bucks challenge. Yeah, let's say 20 bucks challenge, and yeah. So guys, this is
I think it looks pretty good for 20. Yeah, this is like a Asian. What is it? Rice pasta with cabbage and ground turkey, and then oh my gosh, doesn't that look good, guys?
That's teriyaki chicken, veggies, and mashed potato. Yeah, so
Yeah, a little bit of the same flavor, to be honest, because I used ginger, he used ginger, garlic, brown sugar. I used 5 spices in mine and some wine. He used apple cider, but you know, we pretty well used a lot of the same ingredients. So mine's very flavorful, and so is his. But we don't have anyone to taste it, so we both won.
yeah, we both won.
Well, guys, I think we're gonna end it. I'm exhausted. I need to go lay down. Babe's exhausted.
We're up from morning, early morning.
Yeah, we had some things to do with town. But anyways, we're going to enjoy our meal and hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share. Share the video out. We're going towards 5,000 subscribers. Of course, we want way more than 5,000, but we're on our way to 5 now.
I would have said big up for the continuous support.
Yeah, we're thanking you very much.
You guys showed out every single time. And we appreciate it. We love it and we love y'all.
Yes.
Wish to meet y'all someday. So you know that's something to go. We are manifesting. You understand? So we are nothing without God either. So we have to manifest with Him by our side. So big up, bless up, stay tuned.
Yes.
Yeah.
So subscribe, share, comment, all of that. Let us know where you're watching from. I know we have people from Jamaica, but where else are you guys watching
in the States,
from?
I see you guys from the States. I see you guys in Canada. We even have people in India. And from the Caribbean too. Guyanese people commenting too.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah, shout out to you guys, man.
Yes,
bless
absolutely. Okay, mwah, God bless. Mommy wants
so
you to...
guys, Rajero is gonna be the judge. So let's see.
Here, try mommy's. What does it taste like? Good? Is it good?
What's your reaction? Come on, taste this one. Taste this one.
Do you like it?
Come on, taste this one. You're just tasting it, Raj. One taste. Come.
Come try it, honey.
Come try this one. Guys, we will not have no judge, so we don't have a judge. So Rajero is the judge. Come, Papa. Come, taste this one. Taste this one. Alright, take your time and eat. Hey, come now. You have to tell me which one is better.
Which one do you want to eat?
Which one do you want to eat?
Which one do you want to eat?
Which one is better? Which one do you want to eat? You prefer to eat?
This one is better.
Oh my god. That one is better?
Yeah.
You want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay, Rajero is the judge.
All right, there you go. Good?
Yeah.
Let mommy try. Let mommy try.
Okay.
Who taught you how to make potato that way, babe?
I just do it, babe.
I made it that way for you when I first met you. What are you talking
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
about? Don't be sandbagging on what I tell people what you taught me all the time. Now you ain't gonna tell
Well, I
me.
didn't remember that, to be honest,
You didn't
babe. But
remember
you as soon as you remind me, I said it. I admit it. You're right. Try, Papa. Try.
It's good, eh? You like it? Let me try Daddy's chicken.
Such a blessing when you have the family. And you can cook for them and them enjoy, you know? Yeah.
So good.
It's never a competition. It's more of like we enjoying life and just enjoying what life have to offer, you know? It's a blessing. So, yeah, we compete, but we compete in love and harmony. Right, babe?
Exactly.
Yeah, we compete in love and harmony. So, yeah.
Just take it up and bite it, baby.
Oh, wait. Oh.
So him just play up in our food, man. In the ramp. Wash your hand, Papa. You finish? Just go and wash your hands.
So yeah, guys, my husband definitely won. It was so good. But if I had known this little one was the judge, I would have just made some flour and water with salt and made some dumpling. Hey? What would you choose? That, what you're eating now, or dumpling? Rajero?
This one.
You would choose that over dumpling?
Yeah.
Okay. All right then.
Well, babe, yours is really good too, you know. It's good. I told you. So, guys, she finished way, way, way ahead of me. Like, babe literally finished maybe in 20 minutes. And I've been eating it out, and she's like, are you eating mine? And I'm like, babe, this is good, this is fire. I have me weak in my knees at one point. You know what I mean? But it's good, it's really good, I love it.
It is good, guys. You should try it.
Give them some.
I mean, no. I mean, they should literally try to make it. It's quick and easy, and it's healthy, and it's really, really tasty.
Really good.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?